Scene script. Have you ever wondered how to be more specific in your requests and take action in the real estate industry? In the world of real estate, the importance of specificity cannot be overstated. It's the difference between a deal that goes through smoothly and one that hits snag after snag. Let's take a look at why this is the case through the lens of my own experiences in this dynamic industry. I recall a time when I was just starting out in the world of real estate wholesaling. I had a lead on a property, and I was in talks with the seller. Unfortunately, I wasn't very specific in my requests. I would say things like, "I'm interested in the property," or "I'd like to buy your house," without giving any clear indication of my intentions or the value I was bringing to the table. The result? The seller was confused and unsure, and the deal fell through. This experience taught me a valuable lesson about the importance of specificity. Now, when I approach a seller, I make my intentions clear from the start. I tell them, "I am a real estate wholesaler. I can help you sell your property quickly and for a fair price." By being specific in my communication, I eliminate any ambiguity and make the process smoother for everyone involved. But being specific doesn't just apply to communication. It's also crucial when it comes to taking action. In the real estate industry, vague plans and half-hearted efforts won't get you far. You need to know what you want and then take decisive action to achieve it. For instance, if you want to invest in a particular neighborhood, don't just say, "I'd like to buy a property in this area." Instead, research the market, identify potential properties, and make a concrete plan to approach the owners. By taking this definitive action, you increase your chances of success significantly. Remember, specificity is the key to success in the real estate world. Only then can your desires materialize into reality. In the real estate industry, we often hear about market cycles, but have you ever wondered how much they really affect your success? Market cycles are undoubtedly impactful. They can sway the tide of opportunities, making some periods more fruitful than others. When the market is on an upswing, properties appreciate, sales rise, and optimism runs high. This is often when many people are drawn to the industry, lured by the prospect of easy profits. Conversely, when the market enters a downturn, property values may decrease, sales can slow, and the atmosphere becomes more cautious. These periods can be challenging, but they can also present unique opportunities for those willing to navigate the stormy seas. But here's the thing, the state of the market is not the sole determinant of your success in real estate. Yes, it plays a substantial role, but it is not the puppet master pulling your strings. The actions you take, the strategies you employ, and the decisions you make, these are the real game changers. For instance, in a booming market, making a profit can seem relatively easy, but without careful planning and strategic decision-making, you could end up overpaying for properties or getting caught in a bubble that's about to burst. During a downturn, on the other hand, you might find fewer buyers and lower prices. But with a keen eye for value and a willingness to hold on to properties until the market rebounds, you can still turn a profit. The key is to understand the market, anticipate its cycles, and adapt your strategies accordingly. But above all, you must take action. You must be proactive in seeking out opportunities, diligent in assessing their potential, and decisive in seizing them. In the end, it's not the market that dictates your success. It's you. It's the actions you take in response to the market's ebbs and flows. It's your ability to adapt and evolve, to learn from your experiences, and to keep pushing forward, regardless of the circumstances. While market cycles are influential, they are not the be-all and end-all. Your actions are what truly count. The real estate industry is constantly evolving, with new technology playing a significant role. How prepared are you to adapt to these changes? Let's talk about a couple of recent advancements that are revolutionizing the way we conduct business in real estate, particularly in wholesaling. Take, for instance, DMZAct.com, a skip tracing service that has been a game changer for virtual wholesalers. This platform now allows for the importation of probates and leads, offering free skip tracing, a huge leap from the previous monthly cost of $1,010. This reputable company, which has been in operation since 2017, comes highly recommended for anyone in need of skip tracing services. In addition to this, there's a new software in town that performs repair cost estimates based on the quality of the build of the year. This means that you can now get a more accurate estimation of your potential repair costs, which could significantly impact your bottom line. However, like all things, this comes with its challenges. The increased efficiency in generating skip traces also means an increase in manual call and text efforts. But it's a small price to pay for the convenience and accuracy these technological advancements offer. In the face of technological advancements, your ability to adapt and take action will determine your success in this industry. In the grand scheme of things, how much does taking action really matter in the real estate industry? Well, let's consider this. Have you ever noticed the difference between those who merely dream about success and those who actually achieve it? The key difference lies in taking action. You see, in this industry, just like in life, the world belongs to the doers, not the dreamers. Think about it. How many times have we all met someone with a grand vision, a fantastic idea for a real estate venture, but somehow they just never get around to making it happen? And then there's that other person, perhaps less visionary, but always in motion, always reaching out, always taking the next step. And before you know it, they're the ones closing deals, expanding their portfolio, and making real progress. My journey in the real estate industry is a testament to the power of taking action. I remember when I first started, I would spend countless hours just researching and planning, but it wasn't until I took that first step and made my first investment that things started to change. I learned more from that one action than I had from all my prior research. So, when it comes to real estate, or any industry for that matter, remember this. Markets will fluctuate, technology will evolve, but one thing remains constant. Ultimately, it's those who take action, who seize the day, that truly make a mark in the real estate industry.